Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you a nice mocktail. This is mocktail name is Cinderella. Very fancy mocktail, two layer based mocktail. You can try this mocktail. First of all, take a shaker glass and you have to pour 5 to 10 ml of lime juice. Then you have to pour 180 ml of orange juice. Okay. After that, you have to pour 200 ml of orange juice, 90 ml of pineapple juice. It's very fancy mocktail. Then you have to pour some lychee crush. That's it. 10 ml of lychee crush. Then you have to fill the glass with. Okay. Then shake all the ingredients properly. Take a fancy glass and pour all the mixing ingredients into the serve with straw. Then slowly what you will do, take a small decanter and add 5 ml of grenadine syrup. Then simply you have to add soda. Okay. After that, slowly you have to pour the mixture on top of the mocktail. Slowly. With a two layer fancy mocktail, you can try this mocktail. See, your mocktail is ready. You can garnish with orange slice. Okay. And you can serve the mocktail with garnish umbrella. Very fancy mocktail you can try. Okay. And see, your fancy mocktail is ready. This is very fancy mocktail actually you can try. Name is Cinderella. Okay. Cinderella mocktail with the combination of pineapple juice, orange juice, lychee crush, and lemon juice, and combination of soda and grenadine syrup. You can make this two layer based mocktail very fancy mocktail. You can try. Thank you. I hope you like this mocktail and please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel and thank you very much for watching my video.